We hopped on a bus from Pucon to go to the largest island in Chile, Chiloé. Our first stop is Ancud. We actually had to take a ferry over on the bus to get to this island. When we got there, it took about 40 minutes to get to our final destination, Puñihuil, a small coastal town just off the Atlantic Ocean.
So we just got dropped off by the Uber, which was interesting because you could literally negotiate the Uber here. What was it called?
Uber Acuerdo. So you can pretty much click that, and once you click it, a bunch of different prices will show up, and you can choose the one you want to try to negotiate. They can approve it, deny it, or renegotiate a price. So that was really cool. That's the first time we've ever experienced that. So we got a little bit of a cheaper rate today. 50 cents less. We'll take everything we can get. We would have taken the bus here, but the buses only run to Puñihuil from Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and today was a Thursday. But we really wanted to come here because this view is just gorgeous. We just missed the penguin season by about a month. But if you are gonna come between the months October through March, you should be able to see the penguin colonies here.
As well as the whale migration, and there is whale tours, there's snorkeling. I'm not sure if you can swim with them, but you know how cool that would be. That's the goal.
The whale season is from December to March, early March.
Yes. So obviously we're not here in the tourist season, we're in the off season here, but oh my gosh, crab shell. But it is not that cold, luckily, just a little windy and a little gloomy, but beautiful. Look at this.
Brought the big ones too.
Nice.
Yeah.
What?
You can capture the birds. What is that?
What the heck?
What the heck is that? They really do kind of look like squids.
Never seen that before. I was just driving on the beach.
So cool!
Oh snap! What the heck did I just find?
Do we have anything magnetic? Let's see.
Yeah, is this a meteorite?
We need to see if something can attach.
Look at this too!
Jellyfish?
So you could say we got pretty lucky because there's absolutely no one here. There was that one bus of a few tourists. However, no one really wants to come here on the off season because there's no penguins. But the views are still incredible. So our next mission is to get a higher vantage point.
So you do have to pay an entrance fee to get up to the Mirador, which is on the other side of the beach where we started. And we just had to go in this white house and pay them 2,000 Chilean pesos. So, per person. It is getting windy!
Yes, it is. And raining.
We can call this chapter the calm before the storm because there was a beautiful forest right behind the house that blocked out all of the wind.
Oh my gosh! Woo! It is so windy!
This is the best empanada I've had in my life. Look at this.
This was a treat. So after we enjoyed that empanada, we had to call our Uber because there's absolutely no way to get back.
Well, we're currently waiting to get picked up, and it is windy and rainy.
So definitely come in the summer season!